guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to install an SSD without using a 3.5 to 2.5 inch bracket. One way to attach an SSD to a case is to actually, funny enough, use tape. Although it doesn't sound like the best solution, since an SSD has no moving parts, it works perfectly fine. And since an SSD doesn't create much heat, you don't have to worry about it overheating. Just make sure you don't put it next to a major heat source, like a CPU or a GPU. All you have to do is put some tape on the back of the SSD, and just push it down onto whatever surface you want to tape it to. I chose the hard drive bracket because that's the only open space I have in my case. Once you tape it down, if you aren't able to wiggle it around, then it's pretty secure, and it shouldn't fall off. Even though an SSD doesn't have any moving parts, if you don't have a bracket, you should tape it down, because if you leave it hanging, you might damage the SATA cable or the power cable because you're putting too much tension on them. And that's it. You've successfully attached your SSD to your case without using a 3.5 to 2.5 inch bracket.